Hey, it's your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man, and we're about to unbox my PlayStation 4 Pro. So as GT would say, what's up everyone, your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man, and yeah, check out the PS4, man, limited edition, crimson red, candy red, whatever red you want to call it, amazing red, because I am Amazing Spider-Man, of course. Alright, while Spider-Man interrupted my video, we are unboxing the PlayStation 4 Pro 1TB limited edition Spider-Man, the Amazing Red version. So of course you do get the controller, the system, and the game. So what I like about this system is, come on, I'm a huge Marvel fan. Spider-Man, top notch, and we're about to check it out. And it is Amazing Red. I don't know why Spider-Man said candy red, purple red, or whatever you want to call it, red. So let's go ahead and check this box out. And in the front, of course, you got the console, the controller, and you got Spider-Man. And up here, you know, let's turn this box sideways. Limited edition PlayStation 4 Pro Spider-Man. And of course here, in that bottom piece, Amazing Red. Now, here in the back side, you also got limited edition on that corner. You got Sony, you got Insomniac Games, and of course, the ESRB ratings. You know, blood, drug reference, language, and violence, which, you know, it's all good, it's all good. And then you got Spider-Man in a subway. It might be a subway, it's probably a bus, against Mr. Negative. So yeah, he's one of the villains in the game. So, you know what? Let's go ahead and cut this bad boy open, see what's inside of this box. And yeah, I am not getting rid of this system. I am gonna keep it, and I'll probably just show it off, because I already have like plenty of PlayStation 4 Pros. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Oh man, this one doesn't want to come out of the box. So let's place it face down. Alright, sliding it out of the box. Here's a box inside a box, and it's probably going to be another box inside another box. So let's go ahead and turn this around. You got the PlayStation 4 Pro logo up here. Sony PlayStation, of course, you know, empty box, nothing inside of it. You know, you got the side, you got the front, you got the rear, you got the bottom, you got another side. So that's pretty much it for your box. So let's go ahead and untab this, and for starters, you open the box and you usually get the starter guide, quick start guides, and some you know, safety guides, some instruction manuals, and you know, here you go, quick start. No, we don't need that, throw that away. We want to get to the main part, so you know, let's take this side piece out here, see what we get. And of course, you get a power cord for your PlayStation, chunk that there. You get a micro, I guess it's a micro USB cable. Yeah, it is a micro USB cable to charge your controller. Throw that in there. Stick my hand all the way in there, and look what we have here. Damn, baby. Let's take this out real quick. Gosh, this is a beautiful controller. Check this out. Amazing Red. You got the little black accents on the button and on the mic jack. Of course, the pad's gonna be black. The buttons are white, which is pretty cool, which is dope. I like this controller, it looks pretty awesome. You know, you got the white buttons, the white joysticks, the D-pad. Dang, this is nice. This is super nice. Check it out. L1, L2, R2, R1. Let's see if I can power this on right here. Oh, dang, look at that, it powers on right off the bat. So this kind of, you know, as usual, the controllers are usually charged. So here you have Sony controller, you know, if you can see that there, wireless controller. This is the new model, of course. So let's do that again. Bam, you got the light there. So that's why you can tell this is the new model. So this is the new, you know, PS4 Pro that they updated most recently. But man, look at this thing. This thing is awesome. I like it, you know. I'm a huge collector on consoles. I have pretty much every console that's been released. Maybe I'll do a video one day of all my console collections. So yeah, I just don't buy them to sell them, because you know, if you look at Amazon, a lot of people like to resell their stuff. Scalpers, you know, like the 500 million edition. I haven't even opened that one yet. I want to do a video, but I will soon. Next, you do have an HDMI cable that does come with, and I think this is kind of like a 6-footer. So yeah, you do get an HDMI, but I won't be needing this. In the box, you also do get the PS4 only on PlayStation exclusive Marvel Spider-Man Insomniac Games. So yeah, be greater. When a new villain threatens New York City, Peter Parker and Spider-Man's worlds collide. To save the city and those he loves, he must rise up and be greater. Okay, so I don't know. Not for resale, so this is a collector's item, baby. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you want me to do an unboxing video of this game. I will. But in the meantime, you know, I'll show you here. You know, you do need a 45 gigabytes minimum to download one player DualShock 4 PS4 Pro Enhanced. So yeah, comment below. If we get like 15 likes, some comments that you want me to unbox this, I'll do a video on this. So let's go ahead and put this to the side, and let's go to the best part of the unboxing, is the PS4 Pro. But look, there's something else inside of the box. What is this? What is this? So you get a little PlayStation Notice of Updated Limited Warranties. I don't need that. And of course, you do get this little barcode. Experience extraordinary entertainment. Scan the QR code to check out the new offers and free trial. So if you guys want a QR code, go ahead, scan that. Scan that, baby. Also, I'm gonna give away this code for the 20% on the latest games and more. So go ahead and take that down. Use code 22RF5P4LFF. Restrictions apply. Of course, this is a pretty cool flyer. I didn't get this on my Destiny PS4 and my God of War PS4. Spotify available. Play online with friends. So that's pretty dope. Go ahead, check it out. Moment of truth. Let's go ahead and pull this thing out of the packaging. Damn, this thing is amazing. And I'm just like throwing shit everywhere. Look at that, look at that. Oh man, I like this. I like this a lot. What I like about this is the glossy red and the matte red in the bottom. So that's pretty cool. The glossy logo, Spider-Man logo. Spider-Man. Man, this thing is dope, dude. Oh shit, I'm liking this. Look at that. Black on red, matte red, glossy red, amazing red, Spider-Man. Hey, it's me again, your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. So what do you think about PS4 Pro? Isn't it awesome? Curse you, Spider-Man, get out of my unboxing video. All right, pretty dope, I like this. You got the chrome logo right there on the PlayStation symbol. You got the Amazing Spider-Man, the matte white logo, glossy red, matte red. So man, this thing is a beaut. This thing is amazing. Sony, you got the 2 USB ports. Also in the back, you know, you got your Ethernet port, another USB port. You got your auxiliary port. You got your digital out. You got your HDMI, and you got your power port. So overall, I like this. And in here, if you can tell, you got the symbols, the X, the circle, the triangle, and the square. I wonder if it has it on this other side. Actually, this on the other side kind of just tells you, I don't know if you can tell here, HDMI, DTS, HD, Dolby Digital, Blu-ray, and of course on the back side, you do got the black little bumpers, you know, wall guards that you just put on the bottom, so that way it doesn't scratch the surface on your table, or you don't scratch the surface on your console. So there are like little matte type of black bumpers. So right there, you can see it right there. Alright guys and gals, this concludes the video of the unboxing of the PS4 Pro Limited Edition Amazing Red. And as you can see here, Spider-Man is kind of lonely. I don't know why he's sitting back there, but yeah. You get the Crimson Red controller. Oh, Amazing Red, to be honest. This is pretty cool. Matte Red. You get the game. You get the console. Man, this is pretty sweet. I have to admit, I love this console a lot. It is pretty dope. It's probably one of the better looking consoles I've ever seen. I honestly think it's better than the God of War version, because I picked up the God of War and the God of War is pretty dope. I also have the Batman, that one's pretty dope as well. I got the Metal Gear Phantom Pain, but for some reason I love this one. Solid red, white matte logo, Spider-Man logo, the controller, it's nice. It's real nice. But anyways, thank you guys and gals for watching. This is the unboxing video of the PS4 Pro Amazing Red Edition, Limited Edition. And for all you scalpers out there, suck it. Hey Spider-Man, don't be mad. Let's just end the video and be friends. Leave me alone. Oh well, he doesn't want to talk. But anyways, once again, thank you guys and gals for watching. I'm GT, signing out, and I'll see you guys and gals later. Adios.